Good afternoon class 5, welcome to the online class. In yesterday's class we have already completed chapter number 13, ways to multiply and divide, and chapter number 13 it was regarding the multiplication and division, isn't it? It was very easy multiplication and division. Even you have learned the one digit multiplication, two digit multiplication, isn't it? So I think there will be no problem in chapter number 13. Today we will start chapter number 14, how big, how heavy. So I am going to read this chapter and you will just listen to that. And secondly, this chapter is fully based on activities. Here some different types of activities are told which you will do it at home, and based on that activities you will write your observations. Okay, based on that activities you will write the observations in the book. Clear? So let us start the class. See, Sarika collects things like marbles, coins, erasers, etc. She takes some water in a glass and marks the level of water as 0. Now Sarika, a girl, she takes some of the things like marbles, coin and eraser, and then she is putting them inside a glass, and she is marking the glass at 0. Means first of all she is taking the glass and she is taking the water. In that water she is measuring the glass she is measuring the water level as whatever the water level is there, and she is writing 0. Then what she is doing, see, if I drop 5 marbles in this glass, can you guess what will be the level of water? Now she is saying that if I put 5 marbles in this glass, if I drop 5 marbles in this glass, then what will be the water level of the glass? I think this much. Now the other one or the friend is saying, I think this much. She drops 5 marbles in the glass. She marks the new level of water as 5 marbles. Obviously when the water level of the glass is she has marked as 0. Okay, whatever the mark is, then after that she has dropped 5 marbles. So naturally the water level will rise. That means the marbles, it will push the water up, isn't it? And when the marbles, they will push the water up, she has measured that one as 5 marbles and written as 5 marbles. Okay. Oh, how did you guess? Do you know the volume of a marble? I just made a guess about how much water will be pushed up by the marbles. How do you find the volume? Now they two are discussing about the marble and the water level. That means when they have dropped the marble, the water level has risen. So that raised water level is the volume of the marbles. Okay. See, each marble pushes up some water, right? That is because it takes up some space, which is its volume. Yes, when the marble pushes the water up, okay, so that water or that marble, it takes the space of that water, and it is the volume of the marble. Now change the page. Page 188. Yes students, this is related to volume. Okay, this chapter it is related to volume. See, your measuring glass. Now here the activities are starting. First activity, now make a guess. Do you think the volume of 10 5 rupee coin will be more than that of 10 marbles? You have to find out that the volume of 10 5 rupee coin, is it more or that of 10 marbles? Which one is more? That means what you will do, you will take a glass of water, you will mark the water level, and after that you will drop some 5 rupee coins. Not some, you have to drop 10 5 rupee coins. So when you are dropping 10 5 rupee coins in the inside the glass, naturally the water will rise up. So the raised water level, again you will mark it. Okay. Similarly, you will drop 10 marbles. First you will drop 10 5 rupee coin, and after that you will drop 10 marbles. You see the difference between them, and then you write it down that which one will be the more, either the 10 5 rupee coin or the 10 marbles, which volume is more. How you will find out? Just by the rise of the water level, which rises up. Means if the marble, the glass which you have dropped the marble, if that water level is rising more, that means the volume of marble is more, and if the water level which you have, the water level of that 5 rupee coin which you have dropped 10 5 rupee coin, if the water level rises more than this one, that means this will have the more volume. Okay. Here it is the activities, you have to do it of your own because I can't show you now the activities. Guess the volume of each of this. Now this is just your guess. Okay. First one, a ball is nearly dash marbles. You all are playing with the ball, isn't it? Suppose you are taking the cricket ball. Now can you tell me how many marbles will equalize the volume of a ball? Write it in the chat box. Write it in the chat box. Others, everyone write it in the chat box. Okay, some are writing 30, some are writing 10. We will take in between that. Suppose 20. 20 marbles will equalize the volume of a ball, of a cricket ball. Okay. Now come to the next one. An eraser is nearly dash marbles. Now can you tell me, an eraser, a small eraser, how many marble will equalize that one? A marble. An eraser, it is very light, isn't it? It will equalize 2. So write it down, 2 marbles. 2 marbles will equalize the eraser. Now third one, a lemon is nearly dash marbles. Now lemon, how many? For lemon, how many marbles will equalize the volume of a lemon? Okay, you are writing 3 or 4, so write it 4. 4 marbles, lemon 4 marbles. Next is pencil. Pencil, 2 marbles. 2 marbles will equalize it. Okay, 2 marbles. Then third one, a potato. Potato, how many marbles? Potato. That means when this type of volume, how you are finding out? With the help of that water level, how much it is rising. Okay. So for potato, let it be 6 marbles, 6 to 7 marbles. Okay. 6 to 7 marbles. Let it be 6 to 7 marbles. So write there 6 to 7 marbles. Now come to the next one. Now make your own measuring glass using 35 marbles. Now this is the activity again. You have to make your own measuring glass with 35 marbles. Take a glass of water and mark the level of water as 0. Then put in 5 marbles and mark the level of water as 5 m. First of all, take the water in the glass, mark it the water level as 0. Then put 5 marbles, the water will rise up, mark it as 5 m. Again drop 5 marbles and mark the level of water as 10 m. Then next you drop 5 marbles, so the water level will again rise up and write it 10 m. Third one, likewise make the markings for 15, 20, 25, 30 m and 35 m. That means every time you put 5 marbles and you make the different, you just mark the different level of the water inside the glass. Okay, it is up to 35 marbles. That means 5 plus 5 plus 5, like this you will do 35 marbles. Clear? Now come to the next one. Now put each thing in the measuring glass and check your guess. Try with different things like a matchbox, a stone, etc. and fill the table. Now here it is told you take these things and then you make or you fill the table. This also you can do it of your own, isn't it? You have to do the same process. That means you will take the glass, fill the water, measure the level of the water, and after that pour some stones inside that, then the water will rise up, mark the rise level, and then take that observation in a table. And one more thing, here it is told the matchbox. The matchbox floats. How do I find its volume? That means obviously the matchbox will flow. So, how can I find the volume? Here it is told that let us fill it with sand or nails. The matchbox, either you fill it with sand or you fill it with nails. Better to fill it with nails, isn't it? And then you see what is the volume, means how much water is dispersed in the glass. That will be the volume of the matchbox. Clear? So, any 3 things you can take, any 4 things, here 4 columns are given. So, any 4 things you take it and you drop it in the water, and then you mark the level, how much rise in the level of the water, and then you write it down. Okay. Yes, now come to the next one, page 189. Which has more volume? Can you tell me the volume of 6 marbles in milliliter? Yes, if we make a measuring bottle. Now see, the girl is saying, can you tell me the volume of 6 marbles in milliliter? That means in milliliter, can you answer me that what is the volume of 6 marble? Now the boy is saying, obviously I can answer you, but for that we have to use a measuring bottle. In class 4, you have made measuring bottles for 250 ml. Can you think of ways for making a measuring bottle which can measure 10 ml, 20 ml, 30 ml, like that 60 ml? Discuss with your friend. This type of activity you have already done in class 4. You have made the measuring bottle of 250 ml. I think you have remembered. You have remembered. You have made this one, and then try to do 10 ml, 20 ml, 30 ml, and like that 60 ml, and then discuss with your friend. You are not getting the friend, so you can't discuss. You can discuss with your yes. See, this experiment you have to do it of your own. Okay, you will make first of all 10 ml, then 20 ml, then 30 ml, and like that you will make a measuring bottle with 60 ml. That means take the measuring bottle and mark it 10, 20, 30 like this. Okay. See, Tariq and Molly made their measuring bottles. Now here Tariq and Molly, they have made their own measuring bottles. Tariq had an injection. He used it to make this measuring bottle. Molly used an empty medicine bottle. Now both of them, Tariq and Molly, they have made their own measuring bottle. How they have made? Tariq, what he has done, he has taken an injection, and Molly, she has taken an old medicine bottle. In the medicine bottle, you all have seen there is the measurement written, and even when you are taking any syrup and the cap is there, in the cap you can see there are different measurements written. Okay. So these all are the measuring things they have taken to make the measuring bottle. See what Tariq is saying. I took 5 ml once in my injection. I filled it twice to mark 10 ml on my bottle. Now Tariq, he is saying that I have taken 5 ml inside my injection and I have taken 2 times. That means it is 10 ml. So first it is told to make 10 ml of measuring bottle. So he has taken 2 times from the injection and he has made 10 ml of measuring bottle. Next, the girl is saying, Molly is saying, I use this bottle which measures 10 ml to make measuring bottle. Now she has taken the old medicine bottle, and in the old medicine bottle it is already marked 10 ml. So that 10 ml water she has taken. Molly used her medicine bottle to find the volume of 5 rupee coins. She found that 9 5 rupee coins push up 10 ml of water. So you can also use 9 5 rupee coins to make your measuring bottle. Go ahead. See what they have seen. Molly, she has used 5 rupee coin to find the volume of that measuring bottle. She found that 9 5 rupee coin push up 10 ml of water. That means when she have dropped the 5 rupee coins, 9 5 rupee coins, when she has dropped inside the measuring bottle, she has seen or she has observed that the water level, it rises to 10 ml. That means the water is being pushed up more 10 ml. Okay. So, this way she has taken the volume of the 9 5 rupee coin. That means 9 5 rupee coin, its volume is 10 ml. So, you can use that one for measuring different things. Clear? Means you can use that 9 5 rupee coins to make different volumes. You can take it for measuring the different volume. Use your measuring bottle to find out what is the volume of 6 marbles. With the same process, you will find the volume of 6 marble. That means first of all take the glass, then put some water inside the glass, mark the level of the water, write it as 0, then you put 6 marbles or then you drop 6 marbles inside that glass and measure the raised water level. That will be the volume of that 6 marbles. Okay. Now come to the next page, page number 190. Now, what is the volume of 16 1 rupee coin? With the same process, you will find the volume of 16 1 rupee coin. That means in place of the marbles, you will drop the 1 rupee coin. Okay. Now, solve this in your mind. Now, as you are getting these answers, you will solve the next one or you will guess the answers for the next one. The volume of 24 marbles is dash ml. Now, the volume of 24 marbles will be dash ml. Then the volume of 32 1 rupee coin is equals to dash ml. This will be your guess. Now, come to question number E. Molly puts some 5 rupee coins in the measuring bottle. How many coins has she put in it? Now, you have to find out the 5 rupee coins she has put inside the water, inside the glass, and you have to find out that what is the volume. If 30 ml water is pushed up, that means if 30 ml of water is being pushed up, means if the water level is at 0 and after that it has come to 30 ml. So, how many 5 rupee coins she has dropped inside the water? Molly has dropped inside the water, the number of 5 rupee coins, that you have to find and that you will write here. If 60 ml water is pushed up, now if inside the glass, if it is the water level rises up to 60 ml, so you have to tell that how many 5 rupee coin she has dropped inside the glass, so that the water level has raised up to 60 ml. Okay. That means in previous time the total number of marbles was given, you have to find the volume. Now, here in the second question the volume is given, you have to find the total number of 5 rupee coin they have dropped. Clear? They have dropped. Now, come to the next one. First guess and then use your measuring bottle to find out the volume in milliliter of some other things. Now, you take some other things also and you find out the volume in milliliter. Clear? You will find out the volume in milliliter. That means you can take some other things like the volume of the pencil box or the volume of your eraser, like these things. Okay. And you make that, here the table is already given, you measure it, observe it, and then you write down the volume in milliliter. Okay. So, these things, these are the activities, okay, or rather you can say these are some experiments you will do in your home with the help of the glass, water and the things and the marbles. Clear? Now, come to the next topic. The next topic is how many can fit in. You have to find out that how many can fit in. Okay. This is a cube whose sides are 1 centimeter each. See, your math magic book is 1 centimeter high. So, guess how many such centimeter cubes will take the same space as your math magic book. Now, you can see in the picture the cube, it has the side of 1 centimeter, okay, 1 centimeter, and she is telling that your math magic book is of height 1 centimeter. So, guess how many such centimeter cubes will take the same space your math magic book. You have to find out that how many that small cubes can take your math magic book. How many space, that means how much will be the volume, you have to find out. See in the next page, page 191. Hey, my math magic book is about dash centimeter long. So, dash centimeter cubes will fit along its length. Now, quickly find out the length. Quickly find out the length of the math magic book with the help of the scale and tell me how much is the centimeter in centimeter. How much? What is the length of the math magic book? Measure it with the help of the ruler. So, whatever the measurement, you will write it over here, okay. So, dash centimeter cubes, that means that much cubes will be fit in the lengthwise. If it is, yes, one answer I have got, 22 centimeter. Is it 22 centimeter? 17, the length of the math magic book. Second one is writing 17. Is it 17? See, the length of the math magic book, it is nearly 20. So, write it 20 because some are writing 17, some are writing 18, some are writing 19, some are writing 22. Write it 18, okay. So, the math magic book length is 18, that means 18 centimeter cubes will be fit along the length. Now, this is over for the length. Now, we will write for the width, and it is about dash centimeter wide. Now, quickly find the breadth of that book, breadth of the book. Naturally, it will be less than the length, isn't it? So, quickly find the breadth of the book or the width of the book. The width of the book. So, dash cubes will fit along the width. The width of the cube will be English ma'am has joined. Listen, now you do the maths class. Now you do the maths class. You have the maths class. Yes. So, measure the width and write the measurement of your width. Okay. So, dash cubes will be fit along the width. So, how much you will measure the width? The same you will write it here. The breadth will be less than the length. It will not be 27. You have measured wrong. So, whatever you are measuring, you will write it there. So, total dash centimeter cubes will fit on the math magic book. You will add both the things and you will write that this much of the cubes can be adjusted inside the math magic book. Okay. Now, the next one. Now, if all these cubes are arranged in one line, then how long will that line be? Dash centimeter. If you are keeping all the matchbox in a line, so how much it will be? That also you will do it of your own. Clear? Now, come to the practice time. Yes, you are writing 14 centimeter. It will be 14 centimeter. The breadth will be 14 centimeter. Okay. So, the 18 is the length, 14 is the breadth. Write it down and then add. Now, practice time. A stage is made with 5 math magic book. the volume of this stage is the same as dash centimeter cube. Now here it is told a stage is being made or a platform is being made where 5 magic books are kept. Okay, you have to find out that what is the volume of this table, what is the volume of that platform or the stage. Okay, so as we have found the math magic book, how many cubes are adjustable in that math magic book? Okay, yes, your answers are correct. Listen, this question we will again discuss tomorrow in the offline class. Okay, so you join your next class because the time is over, and whatever we have done today in the class, kindly you follow that one, and obviously you follow the offline class also. Okay, so bye all of you and thank you all of you.